Although leased line replacement is not a new trend, recent regulatory changes have accelerated the shift towards modernized network infrastructure. For organizations with mission-critical operations and communications, what was once a long-term consideration is becoming an immediate operational concern. In this video, we overview the regulatory shift taking place, the new risks it poses, and what organizations can do next. We'll also take a look at some of TCCommInc's modern leased line replacement solutions for customers that are facing the imminent retirement of their copper lease lines or looking to future-proof their critical networks. In March of 2026, the Federal Communications Commission adopted its Network and Services Modernization Order. This new regulation removes the heavy federal approval process that previously delayed carriers from retiring copper networks. By slashing these bureaucratic buffers, the deregulation drastically shortens the overall transition window, leaving organizations with potentially as little as 60 days to migrate their critical infrastructure before service is cut off. With this new set of regulatory pressures, time is of the essence. With the timeline being set externally, a fast migration is essential, with full system replacement being capital-intensive and requiring significant time. TCCommInc's solutions give an industry-proven, fast, low-cost migration path. TCCommInc's IP-based jumbo switch platform enables organizations to transport serial, analog, and TDM traffic over Ethernet and IP networks without requiring changes to existing field equipment. Key capabilities of the jumbo switch include protocol transparency for legacy equipment, low latency transport, network flexibility for IP and cellular networks, built-in redundancy and failover, and phased migration support. While IP-based migration offers flexibility and scalability, for organizations looking to utilize T1 or E1 infrastructure instead of an Ethernet IP network, TCCommInc supports this approach with its Mini Channel Bank and Jumbo Bank products. The Mini Channel Bank provides a simple plug-and-play option for lower channel count applications. As a hardware-only solution that does not require firmware upgrades or complex configuration, it enables organizations to preserve existing equipment and transport legacy interfaces over T1 and E1 with minimal effort. For higher density or more complex systems, the Jumbo Bank serves as a modern channel bank replacement solution. Together, these T1 and E1 based solutions provide extremely low latency, high voice quality, and seamless integration with existing systems. While the FCC's new regulation has accelerated the shift away from copper lease lines, for years TCCommInc has helped organizations, including public safety agencies, transition to modern, secure networks with measurable results. In one such recent deployment, a county fire network replaced its lease line infrastructure with a modern IP solution using the TC3846-6 4-wire E&M and dry contact over IP gateway. This enabled greater flexibility and long-term cost savings without compromising performance. More than 18 months later, the network has not experienced a single fault. With a structured approach to system migration, organizations can respond quickly to regulatory changes and build a more resilient communications infrastructure by identifying leased line dependencies across all systems, prioritizing critical applications that require immediate attention, and deploying secure migration solutions. With proven technology and real-world deployment experience, TCCommInc provides a clear path forward, helping organizations transition from legacy infrastructure to reliable, future-ready IP networks without compromising performance. Please visit TCComm.com. You can find all of our products by clicking the drop-down menu here, or by scrolling down to our product matrix here. You can also find all of our videos by clicking the link here. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.